Dear student, today we will discuss about Boolean algebra. Okay, so let's understand first what is Boolean algebra. So Boolean algebra is used to analyze and simplify the digital logic circuit. Okay, it used only the binary number, that is 0 and 1. It is also called as binary algebra or logical algebra. Means, dear students, this is the part of simple algebra of mathematics, but the difference between the mathematics algebra and Boolean algebra is that it is used to simplify the logic circuits, okay, to design any digital electronic device. Okay, so therefore this is known as logical algebra also. This is also known as the logical algebra. So because of George Boolean introduced this algebra, therefore it is known as the Boolean algebra. Okay, so in Boolean algebra there are some rules. So let's see the rules in Boolean algebra. So the first rule is variable use can have only two values, that is binary 1 for high and binary 0 for low, because students, this is the digital logic and every device have only two states, that is either on or off. So 0 means off and 1 means on. So when the circuit pass through the electronic base, sometimes this signal should be high or low. So high signal mentioned by the 1 and low signals mentioned by the 0. So like this, first rule of the Boolean algebra is variable should be mentioned by the two values, that is 0 and 1. Okay, and second is complement of a variable is represented by an overbar. There are three logics. Okay, logics are three types in Boolean algebra or any other, like and, or, and not. So this is the complement. Complement means nothing but the not logic. Okay, so complement means the not logic. So this complement variable represented by the overbar of any variable. For example, this can be input or output, both, but variable, this can be input or this can be output, but when it will be mentioned as complement or as not logic, then it will be look like this overbar on the variable. So it is, if it is a variable then a bar, if it is b variable then b bar, if it is c variable then it is c bar. So we can say these are the different input variables or output variables of complement, right? Second logic is OR logic. OR means any one, if the condition is any one condition is true. So ORing of the variable is represented by the plus sign. For example, A or B, it is works as addition, but it called OR. Okay, it works when we will simplify this variable, it will work as plus sign, simple addition of the two variables, but it is called OR logic in Boolean algebra. So A or B or C and that also. After that, the second is AND logic. So AND logic of two or more value is represented by dot. Okay, same. For example, A dot B dot C and that, so it is mentioned by the dots. Okay, dots. This is the symbol of product, or we can say the multiplication, but in Boolean algebra it is works as AND. Okay, AND logic. So when we will simplify any AND logic, we will follow the multiplication rule, but it indicates the AND logic. Okay, so these are the some rules of Boolean algebra. So what is the points we are getting? That Boolean algebra have two states, that is 0 and 1, means either the condition will be false or true, means 1 means true condition and 0 means false condition. There is nothing any other confusing things, only there are two states, true and false. Every logic have two states, true or false. For example, we can say 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So this will be never change. Therefore, this is the true logic. Okay. A is greater than B, or we can say 9 is less than 8. So this is the false condition. This logic is false, therefore it will be false. Okay, so like this, these are the simple logic uses in Boolean algebra. And third is Boolean algebra works on three types of logics, that is AND, OR and NOT. So AND indicates by the dot sign. For example, of two inputs A and B, and another of example we can say A and A. Okay, OR always indicates by the plus sign, that is A or B, and NOT always uses by the bar sign, over bar, so that is A over bar and B over bar. Okay, so these are the simple introduction rules of the Boolean algebra. In next video we will discuss how to implement these logic gates and the symbols of these logic gates. Thank you.